Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and as you can see, things have gotten a little crazy around here. So, incidentally, what happened, I did a lot of shopping last week, and then, my channel got hacked. We were busy with that, and then retrieving my laptop and a whole bunch of things. So, yes, it's utter madness in my house with all of these unopened Amazon boxes. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to add some sense to all this madness around here by doing this video and also a giveaway because I genuinely really want to thank you guys for all your support. And my channel got hacked. It was the most distressing one day of my life. It was crazy, and thank you so much for your support. So what we'll do, we'll keep this giveaway very simple. Okay, there'll be three winners, and all you need to do is let me know in the comment section below which of these products. I'll be opening all of these boxes today. Let me know which one of these products you liked the best and you would want to win. And please make sure you are a subscriber of Superwow Style. Subscribe to this channel because I just want to genuinely thank you guys, all my subscribers, from the core of my heart. Let me just start with this small box first, and let's see what's in there. I think I know what's in there, but I'm not sure. And here we have it. Yes, I was right. My guess was right. This is basically a water filter which you use in your bathroom. So a lot of people, they get very hard water in their bathroom, right? So when you're taking a shower, it can really impact your hair, your skin, especially your hair. Like a lot of hair fall happens these days because of hard water issues. So I have used this product once in the past, but I didn't have a new one ever since we shifted here. Although it's been 4 months, we still didn't have it. So I spoke to the plumber here. He said he'll get this installed. It's not very difficult. Let me just show this to you up close. This is how the product looks up close. Now, let me warn you guys, it's not like, there will be a magical difference in how the situation is. Is there somebody? Yes, I knew this was Lyra. Hey, Lyra. Okay. My baby. What? What? You want this? It's heavier than you. Okay. So, sorry guys, sorry for getting distracted. So this is something which will not magically transform the water, honestly, but you will see a considerable difference. So in Bangalore, the water here is really hard. So I have found this product to be quite useful in the past. By the way, there's also hard water shampoo available these days. I think that's really good. So I'll put the link for that also in the description box below. If you have hard water issues, what's in there? Is this a globe or is this a tripod? Okay, I got my globe. Let me see the color. I hope it matches with the color of my couch. Like, क्या कर रहा है baby? कहाँ जा रहा है? Although I was expecting this globe to be slightly larger in size, look at her. Just look at her. She has made her own space on my lap. Take all the liberties, and you want them to because they are like your babies, right? Okay, let me show you what's in here. This really cute vintage style globe. So I was expecting the tripod to be a little larger in size. I guess I can put it on a small tabletop or something. Do you like it? I think it looks nice. The quality is not very good, but it's nice. I mean, as a showpiece, as a decor item. What do I wanna open next? Okay, let's open something from this side. This box is the first thing here. So let's open this box right here. I know what's this. So here I have with me the vitamin C face wash, vitamin C skin mist toner, and also a vitamin C serum, all from Wow Skin Science. So I've actually used the face wash and the serum before. I really liked it. The skin mist toner is a new one. I just thought I'll give it a try because I like the other two products before so well. Now vitamin C is so great, guys. It's so great, especially for the summer season, when sun tan, sun damage is inevitable. No matter how much sunscreen you wear, it's going to happen. So vitamin C is just really good for giving you that radiant skin and also dealing with that sun damage to a great extent. Just one quick tip, guys, if you're using a vitamin C serum, okay, like this one that I have here, if you're using a vitamin C serum during the daytime, after applying the serum, of course, use a moisturizer and also use a good thick layer of sunscreen during the daytime, okay? So I just wanted to tell you that. So this face wash I specifically bought for the second time. Last time was sent by the brand. This time I actually got this for myself because, like with the summer season coming in and all the sweat accumulation, especially the sweat accumulation around the skin folds and these kind of areas, it's very difficult to clean up. So the silicone brush tip really helps, apart from the fact that it's just paraben and sulfate free and extremely refreshing for the skin. Okay, now moving to the next product. This one I'll not review, guys, the skin mist toner, because I've actually never used it before. I'll probably review some other time. If you guys want me to review it, let me know. I'll do it separately, okay? Alright, now what do I want to talk about, guys? By the way, all the links will be in the description box below. Sorry, I'm just kind of losing track. All the links will be in the description box below for whatever I'm showing you in today's video. If you want to check the prices, if you want to check anything. Like, I've totally forgotten the price of this globe as well. I have no idea. Okay. What do I want to talk about next? I want to open one of these big boxes first, especially this one because I really don't know what's in there. Should we open it, Lyra? For that, we'll have to get a baby. Okay. Lyra, sweetheart, get up. Chalo. Okay, guess what, guys? I got another box. This is madness. I can't believe what's just happening here. So I'm just gonna push this all away and first open this box which I was about to open that time. Okay, where is the knife? Ow. But then good thing, right? We have more options to choose from for the giveaway. Okay, guys. Okay guys, so in case you can't tell, there's actually a planter stand in which you can keep your pots, and it just looks really beautiful. So when I saw this on Amazon, I wasn't very convinced because I saw the reviews and ratings and I wasn't sure, but I'm really glad I got it. It looks beautiful. Let me just show this to you how it is to be used. Something like this, and doesn't this look fabulous, guys? Really nice, right? Okay, there are 2 or 3 things here. What happened? Maybe from the same seller, I did order a lot of decor products. There are 2 items here. Interesting. So this is the box which I just received, like you guys are watching. Ah, okay, no, it's 1 item only, I think. It's a tripod with a light. Guys, this will take me a long time to open. I'll just skip ahead to the part where I've opened it. So guys, this is how this tripod with the light looks. I think a lot of you might have already seen this around. It's been around for a long time. But I really wanted one with this vintage look. And just in case you want to win this for the giveaway, guys, let me warn you, you can't actually use this lamp for a long time because it heats up a lot. That's what it said on the Amazon reviews. I haven't used it yet myself, so I don't know. But yeah, that's what it says on the reviews, that it heats up. So you can light it on for a few minutes or just some time, but don't think of it as a light. Think of it as more of a decor item. Okay, now let's just open one of these small boxes. Okay. This one is slightly boring, but since we have it here, might as well just, get it over with. And it's important, like it's boring, but it's important. This is a 6 power charging socket, device. And they have also sent these USB cables. So in my home, we keep losing our phone chargers. We keep losing our phone chargers. So yeah, a charging device with chargers, good thing, good buy. Let's see what's in there. I really can't guess, There is a fabric-based thing here. I know that. No idea. I know I ordered a carpet, but this is definitely not a carpet because it's too small. It's mats. Which mat is this? Oh, these are the okay, guys, these are some jute planters. Oh wow, this is cute. I love the size of this. Okay. Let me show you how to actually use this. It comes in a set of 3 and this is how you can use it. So again, this can be used for home decor, for gardening decor, for balcony decor. This is so pretty, guys, so pretty. I love how cute this is. The fabric, the quality is brilliant. It's really nice. I think of all the home decor items I've shown you so far, this one and that light tripod thing have the best quality of all. Very nice. It also smells of jute. I like that. And guys, like I just mentioned already, all the links will be in the description box below if you want to check out the prices and everything, because I clearly have forgotten all the prices. I ordered all of them pretty much on the same day, so I'm kind of losing track of the pricing now. Oh, these are oven mittens. I needed these for the longest time, and by the way, there is also an oven here. It's an OTG oven here. It's huge. It's perfect for Gaurav's hands, but definitely not perfect for me. Still, I'll use it. I mean, it's not like that big. It's huge, but I think I'll have enough control over my fingers even if I use this. So this product has been packed in double boxes. Do you see that? There's double boxes in here. I think it's the clock. Maybe that's why they've packed it in double package. And here it is, guys. This is what the clock looks like. So it has 2 sides, and the 2 sides are 2 different clocks, operated by separate batteries. And I was just telling this to Gaurav that we can keep one side as India timing, and because Gaurav is always traveling to Dubai and his company is actually a Dubai-based company, we can keep the other clock on the Dubai timing, so it just kind of serves dual purpose for us. Otherwise, you can just keep the same timing on both sides of the clock, and you can just hang it at a place in your house. where you can see it from both the rooms or from both directions. I really like the old school vintage feel of it. Again, this is not a brand new design or a brand new style. It's actually been around in the market for the last couple of years especially. Now moving to this. Oh, I can't believe I didn't open this yet. Let me show this to you. This is actually very interesting. This is actually a laser hair removal product. You might have seen a lot of these in the market, right? Where they are selling these devices using which you can do laser hair removal at home to remove your hair permanently. So this is the Erica laser hair removal device. Let me know guys if you want me to do a review. I'm thinking of trying it out for the next couple of weeks and giving you a review and feedback as to how it's working. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. What is this? What is this? Oh, it looks like a fake plant. So guys, I'm actually like really digging the whole gardening scene these days, growing plants and all of that. But for indoor stuff, I'm thinking like I'm using a lot of fake plants still because I'm not very good with gardening and I don't want my plants to keep dying. So just a few fake plants and mostly real plants. So, oh my god, this is lush green and you see that? Although it has that plasticky smell, so I don't like that. I didn't like that. But it looks fine, so I guess I'll use it. Okay, guys, before I move to this is going to be very, very difficult to open. So before I move to that and this one, let's open this. This is a small jute carpet which I got for my house. And here it is guys, my jute carpet. Okay, it's spreading out entirely. Let me put this on the floor. I am actually a big fan of jute, like jute products, jute bags, jute mats, jute carpets. Especially with the dog at home, I don't want to keep like those furry, fuzzy carpets. This carpet, the material is very, very good. I love jute and this one is really nice. I think I'll get some more jute, some more jute products. Hi Gaurav. Some more jute. Okay, you want to show me something? Guys, let's make this video even longer, okay? Okay guys, so while Gaurav decides what he wants to show, let me just move to the next thing. Gaurav, ye oven kholne ke liye I will need your help, huh? It's a huge box. So I've been avoiding opening this for the longest time, but now I need to open it.
Hilarious expression of dogs trying to catch treats in midair. These are actual photos.
Are you serious?
Come, Lalu. You want me to open the oven?
Yeah. Help me open this now. You came at the right, perfect timing. Okay guys, so what Gaurav wanted to show me was a few pictures of dogs trying to catch treats in their mouth, slow motion pictures. Unfortunately, I can't add those pictures to this video because copyright strike ho jayega, so I can't take this. But let's look at the next product of the day. Okay guys, so here it is, finally opened the OTG. By the way, is OTG also called an oven? I know microwave is oven. Sorry if I've used the terminology all wrong. Huh?
Microwave is not oven.
Microwave is oven. Microwave oven bolte na. What is OTG?
That is microwave plus oven. It's two technologies.
Is it? God, I must have sounded like so stupid throughout the video. So guys, this is the OTG. We finally have an OTG. We've been thinking of buying one since what, 5 years now? Almost 5 years since we got married. And I kept saying we don't even cook, so what's the point? But off late we've been eating a lot of pizza, so I figured let's just get an OTG, and I know how to make basic pizzas at home. So we can actually start having homemade pizza. So it's very, very small. It's not a huge one. It's from the brand Borosil. And it looks nice, na? Nice sturdy glass. Borosil ka glass to acha hoga. So yeah, let me know if you want my pizza recipe. And I make amazing dragon potatoes. I don't know if it's even a real thing, but I call it dragon potatoes and those are like amazing. If you want a few OTG recipes, maybe I can do a video on that. So thanks Gaurav for helping me open this. Now can you please put this aside? Oh, kitchen mein le ja rahi hu. How sweet, thank you. And here we have it guys, another ginormous packaging. So this is obviously a wall art thingy. And here it is guys, a wrought iron bicycle metal art thingy. Let me show you how this thing actually looks on the wall before we put it up. This is how it's looking. Don't you think this is gorgeous? I love how elegant this thing looks. The quality is fantastic. Gonna just touch this now. Quality बहुत solid है इसका, and it's good quality metal. Very, very nice stuff. And last but not the least, like this is literally the last product in today's haul, is this beautiful metal wall art. Gaurav, this will not go with our room ka decor, na? This room ka decor, it will not go. I don't know. Maybe we can put this in.
Metal.
We can put this in our bedroom. I really like how this looks.
Bedroom
though.
it will go on.
I really like how this thing looks. Let me show this to you guys up close. This is how this thing looks. And I love how this looks. What do you guys think about this? There are many other patterns, by the way. If you want to win this product, let me know which of the 3 patterns. Of course, all the links will be in the description box below. So you can pick out whichever pattern you like the most and let me know. So I'll make sure that you get the pattern which you pick up delivered to your place if you're the winner. And yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. Oh my god. In case you don't know, let me tell you, I have been actually filming this entire video for the last 4.5 hours. I kept getting up. I think you can see my lipstick is completely gone, my makeup is completely gone almost. I've been getting up, having breakfast, taking care of Lyra, playing with her and God knows what not. My maid came in between. But yes, that was today's haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this totally random haul video today. And yes, that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really exhausted now, so I'll end this video now. And thanks once again for helping me with everything. I just want to say how grateful I am to all of you. And yeah, that's about it guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.